Morning breakfast and plans.
Good morning, darling.
Good morning.
How did you sleep?
I slept well, thank you. And you?
I slept well, too.
I'm making breakfast now.
It smells very good.
Do you want eggs or toast?
I would like eggs, please.
Okay. Do you want some coffee?
Yes, I would like some coffee.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
I have a busy day today.
Why is that?
I need to stay longer at work.
Oh, I understand.
Can you pick up the kids from kindergarten?
Yes, of course I can.
They finish at 4 p.m.
Okay, I will be there on time.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
You're welcome. What about dinner today?
I can cook when I come back home.
That sounds good.
Or we can order food if I'm tired.
That is also a good idea.
Yes, we will decide later. I need to go to work now.
Me too.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, too.
Problem with the washing machine. Hey, can you come here?
What's wrong?
The washing machine doesn't work.
What do you mean?
It doesn't start.
Did you press the button?
Yes, I did. Nothing happens.
That's strange.
I need to wash clothes today.
Okay, let me check. Is it plugged in?
Yes, it is.
Maybe the door is not closed.
Wait. Oh, you're right.
Try again.
Okay. No, still nothing.
Maybe there is no power.
But the light is on.
Right. Okay,
What do we do now?
maybe we need to call someone.
A repair service?
Yes,
That costs money.
I know, but we need it.
Yes.
Or we can go to a laundromat.
That's not a bad idea.
We can wash everything there.
Okay, let's do that today.
And tomorrow we call a repair service.
Yes, good plan.
Don't worry, we will fix it.
I hope so. Shopping together in the supermarket. Do we have everything at home?
No, we need to buy food.
Okay, let's make a list.
Good idea.
What do we need for dinner today?
Maybe chicken and rice.
That sounds good.
We also need vegetables.
Yes, let's buy carrots and broccoli.
Okay,
What about lunch tomorrow?
we can make pasta.
Good idea. We need pasta and sauce.
And cheese.
Yes, don't forget cheese.
I won't.
What about breakfast?
We need bread and eggs.
And milk.
Yes, we are out of milk.
Do we want something for the weekend?
Yes, let's make a cake.
Oh, nice. What cake?
Maybe an apple cake.
I like that.
We need apples, flour, sugar, and eggs.
We already have eggs.
Okay, so apples, flour, and sugar.
Do we need butter?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, I add it to the list.
Do we want something sweet?
Maybe some chocolate.
Good idea.
And snacks?
Yes, maybe chips.
Okay, but not too many.
Okay.
Do we need drinks?
Yes, water and juice.
Okay, let's go to the supermarket.
Let's go.
First, vegetables.
Here are the carrots.
And broccoli is here.
Great.
Now, chicken.
I see it.
Let's check the date.
Yes, it's fresh.
Good.
Now, pasta and sauce.
There are many types.
Let's take this one.
Okay.
And cheese.
We also need milk.
It's over there.
And bread.
Yes, fresh bread is here.
Now, things for the cake.
Apples are here.
They look good.
Flour and sugar are in this aisle.
Okay, we have everything.
Wait, look at this.
What is it?
There's a promotion on juice.
Really?
Yes, it's buy one, get one free.
That's a good deal.
Yes, we should take more.
How many?
Let's take 4.
Okay, we will have extra.
Yes, it's good for later.
Good idea.
Now we are ready.
Let's go to the checkout.
This will be a good weekend.
Yes, with good food. Who ate the yogurt? Where is the yogurt?
What yogurt?
The natural yogurt. It was in the fridge.
I don't know.
I need it for the cake.
Oh.
Did you eat it?
No, I didn't.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
I told you yesterday I want to bake a cake.
Yes, I remember.
So where is it?
Maybe Emma ate it.
Emma?
Yes,
Maybe.
she likes yogurt.
Yes, but now she is on a diet.
Really?
Yes, she wants to lose weight.
Oh, I didn't know that.
So maybe she ate it.
What do you want to do now?
I need to go to the store and buy yogurt.
Wait,
What?
Emma comes back from school in 30 minutes.
Yes?
I can call her.
And?
I can ask her to buy yogurt.
That's a good idea.
Yes, it's easier.
Okay.
You can start the cake now.
Yes, I can prepare everything.
Good. I will call Emma.
Thank you.
No problem.
Cooking spaghetti together. What do you want for dinner today?
I would like spaghetti.
That's a good idea.
Yes, I really like it.
Okay, let's cook together.
Sure. What can I do?
Can you boil water for the pasta?
Yes, I can do that.
And I will make the sauce.
Okay.
We need tomatoes and meat.
I can cut the tomatoes.
Thank you.
Where's the knife?
It is in the drawer.
Okay, I found it.
Be careful.
Don't worry, I'm careful.
Is the water ready?
Not yet.
Okay, I'm cooking the meat now.
It smells good already.
Thank you. Can you add salt to the water?
Yes, I can.
Now we can add the pasta.
Okay, I put it in.
Don't forget to mix it.
Yes, I'm mixing it.
The sauce is almost ready.
Great.
Can you check the pasta?
Yes, it's ready.
Perfect.
What do we do now?
We put everything on plates.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. You too.
Planning the weekend.
Hey, I have an idea for the weekend.
Oh, really? What is it?
I want to take you out.
That sounds nice. Where?
First, we go to the cinema.
Okay, I like that.
There's a new comedy.
Oh, I want to see it.
Good. I can book tickets.
That's great.
Then we go to a restaurant.
Really?
Yes, I found a nice Italian place.
I love Italian food.
I know. That's why I chose it.
That's sweet.
I can book a table for us.
Thank you.
Do you want Saturday evening?
Yes, that's perfect.
The movie is at 6 p.m.
Good time.
and dinner at 9 p.m.
Sounds perfect.
I want it to be a nice evening.
It will be.
Don't make any plans.
I won't.
Just be ready.
I will. Mess at home. Look at this room.
What do you mean?
It's a mess.
It's not that bad?
Yes, it is. Clothes are on the floor.
I will pick them up later.
You always say that.
I'm just tired.
There are dishes in the sink.
I will wash them.
When? Tomorrow?
No, later today.
You said that yesterday.
Okay, I forgot.
The table is dirty too.
I didn't see that.
You never see it.
That's not true.
I clean all the time.
I help sometimes.
Not enough.
What do you want me to do?
Help more.
Okay, I can do that.
Can you clean now?
Now?
Yes, now.
Okay, I will start.
Good. Start with the dishes.
Okay.
And pick up your clothes.
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
Sorry.
It's okay. Just help more.
I will.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Thanks so much, and good luck with your English learning.